Well, would you look at that? The panel work is all done. I'm doing the intro at the very end because I forgot to do the intro in the beginning because it's 110 and it feels like 130 in here, and I took 3 showers today. I almost overheated a couple times. What else? This was the worst experience I've ever done doing things. Well, not really worse. I've done worse. I've put up 250-pound steel plates for gun ranges, but I still think this is worse than that. Still Vegas heat, don't like it, but I was cooking in here. And the glue, the caulk I was using, smelled like bleach. This is the weirdest thing ever. It's just dripping right there, but I really don't care. It was a disgusting smell. I didn't like it. I felt like I was getting my hair dyed again, and I don't like that smell. There's people here. Good, good. Sorry, that Amazon package for my neighbor's here now. But yeah, my Amazon package for my inverter came for inverter? No, it's the DC charger. It's the charger for my generator to the battery bank I got. It's so loud. What were we talking about? Oh yeah, I just got mail from Amazon for my little power bank area, so I can charge it with my generator now. Because again, ultimately I want to do solar up here. I'm rambling. I should stop rambling. We're going back to the panels. This was horrible. It sucked. I never want to do this again. I get if I destroyed this entire trailer, gutted it, and redid everything, it probably would have been way easier instead of like routing around everything like here and there. But I didn't do that. I decided to jigsaw everything together. But it works. It looks good. I'm gonna cover this all up with vinyl wrap anyways. I don't really care. But what else? You guys aren't gonna see up there in the corner. It's gonna be hidden with cabinets, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm rambling. But yeah, that's really it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get to it. Big old holes in here. Oh, it's such a big gap too. What the? In this camper build, I'm building everything in the camper itself because my garage is full of other camper things and a few other projects I'm working on, so it's got to be done in the trailer. So over the course of 3 days and over 9 hours, I put up 2 walls. This probably would have been easier if I just did cardboard cutouts, but I didn't think of that at the time. That's a solution for future me. I completely get why other YouTubers gloss over this part, like this is super boring and it's tedious. Mainly because it was over 110 degrees Fahrenheit in the camper itself, and I took a lot of breaks. Fun fact, this drywall square that was the first tool someone bought me when I was 16 or 17 so I could build furniture for their store. That job turned into my first paid woodworking project and basically started my entire woodworking journey. With that said, I'm self-taught in just about everything that I do. Early on, my dad showed me how to be safe, but beyond that, he left me to my own devices, only stepping in if I was doing something too dangerous or wanted to double check my thought process and how I was doing something. But he just let me go on my own, so a lot of stuff I learned, I'm probably doing things backwards or a little bit wrong, but I do, in the end, get it done. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the top side now. The next step is I'm applying some Liquid Nails 5X to this entire section of exposed wall, mainly because I don't feel like the staples will hold the panel together. I want to make sure this panel never moves, and this will add a lot of rigidity once I have the panel in place because, it should never move, and therefore it should become solid. At least that's my hope. I'm 90% sure this is how it's going to work. It's only like 10 o'clock, but it's already 100 degrees out. Oh, sucks. This is the only part about the camper build that I don't like. It's just doing this in the heat. Not fun. That's all. Now, if I was in a cool climate, this probably would be a better situation, but I'm not. It's already just gluing the crap out of it. That's all. This is the most annoying part. I dislike doing this. Like, if I wasn't probably building around everything, maybe it'd be a little bit easier. But I'm not. No. Oh, hurts my back too. Nails right there. I gotta get that out. Put the next board up. This wall's done. We need to tackle that wall. And then the hard part. Oh my god, there's that corner over there. And then that corner, and then the hard part is over. I think walling's the hardest part. I hate it. I don't like doing this part. It sucks. But it's gotta get done. I don't really want to see pink and smell pink fluff. As much as I like asbestos, I don't really want to smell it all the time. Alright. Oh, and it's not gonna match up evenly, perfectly. I don't care enough, because again, I'm putting vinyl on it. It doesn't matter how it looks on the outside. Or on the inside. It's all that matters on the outside. Inside don't matter looks. Only outside looks matter. Let's go. Son of a gun. Thank you. Fit fine when I first did this. Oh, because I started this side first. Damn, that's why. Uh-oh. Again, I don't care how it looks. It's getting trim anyways, I don't care. Fuck, I did it. I'm gonna shift that up a bit, there we go. So I made these markings on top and bottom so I know where the studs are. Makes it way, way simpler to go to secure this in place. Although this glue, it smells like a hair salon. It smells weird. Oh yeah. Perfection. I am a professional carpenter, as you can see. See that? I wasn't joking when I said I was building the entire thing on the inside of the camper. Every cut, every measurement was done in the camper, and it was horrible. I think more so because the kitchen wall was warped. It was very concave, and it was weird to get measurements on it because I wasn't too sure if I was doing it right. But applying these panels to the walls kind of got that concave out. It kind of made it more straight. It was nice and rigid. Alright, so this is what I'm using. Liquid nails. Flex 5 times, I guess. It's supposed to be good. Who knows? It was on sale for $1. We'll see how well this works. Next I'm just gonna go out like this. Boom, it's done. It's not, but next time you guys see this, it'll be done. I hate this. This is not fun for me. Do not like it. So I'm glad I'm done with it for the most part. I'm definitely going to waterproof the outside completely so I don't have to ever do this again. Because I don't ever want to do this again. This was not fun.